My name is Ian, and this is a remarkable plant. It's called Plumbago, and typically it comes in a powder blue, and that's the common Plumbago that we see in most garden centers, widely available. But I found this white form a couple of years ago, and like many of the plants in my garden, difficult to find, but once you find it, they are well worth keeping. But it's not difficult to grow. And what you can see here is a beautiful display of flowers, arching stems. I've got it at the end of this bench, and although it's encroaching, I can prune that back, and I get this nice full growth with these crisp, clean white flowers. The ongoing production of flowers make this plant a true standout. It can start flowering in late April, early May, and here we are now in the end of September, and it hasn't stopped. It's not covered in flowers so that you can't see the plant, but this density of flowers I find very elegant. You can see the arching stems, you can see the foliage, and you get flowers from ground level all the way up to much taller. Now, this is quite a large plant, and I'll give it a big haircut to probably about 8 inches high, dig up the roots, stick it in a pot, and keep it in a frost-free location. If you keep this at 45 degrees, it will go through the winter. This is white Plumbago.